Hi everyone, today here with Sonia and Tanuj, and we'll be asking about them that how did they find our interiors and all the materials that we have used. Okay, so yes Sonia, you tell me, how was your experience with DJI?
It was previously I was just I was in a confusion because I searched the page on Insta itself, so I was in confusion whether to give the whole house to the DJI. I had no experience with the interiors and all, but after that when we start the procedure like the designing first.
Okay.
So yes, they have kept every detail. They took every details from us, whatever we want, how, whether it's modern or aesthetic, how we like it our home. So yeah, they consider every part of us, how we want it. So design part was good, and then the selection process, the construction, the actual practical, then the process was very good actually, very smoothing. Like they just told us the shop and we went to that shop and the selections happened. So yeah, they involved us in every process. It's nothing like that, okay, whatever we select you just apply it. It's not that. So we have to go there, we have to select. They gave us the idea whatever we want, how we want it, whether it will be suitable for our kitchen or maybe anywhere.
Okay.
So they gave us the idea, okay, it will look like that. So the process was very smooth and I actually liked it, and the output is of course the way we wanted.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
And I would also like to add into you that when the process was going on, as Sonia mentioned, और हमने जब finalize किया, how did you exactly find Divya's concepts that was there included in her house? I mean the materials, the fabrics, and whether you were thoroughly the process, how it went, it was exactly the same, or you all found any kind of glitches in between and any kind of apprehensions that you all had.
एक्चुअली जो भी मटेरियल की यूज़ किया है
हाँ.
दिव्या ने बहुत अच्छे तरीके यूज़ किया है.
Okay.
और वैसे देखा जाए तो जो कुछ यूज़ किया है वो प्रीमियम मटेरियल से.
Okay.
और ऐसा कुछ ग्लिच नहीं है कि कुछ फॉल्टी हो गया है, ऐसा कुछ मिला भी नहीं अभी तक.
Okay. और कितने दिन लगे आपको ये घर बनाने में?
लगभग 2 months.
2 months with the
हाँ.
designing.
No. We started the designing before the possession. So we had our designs finalized before possession, and after the possession, they started the work.
Okay.
Yeah.
So basically, you just thought of the possession, the designing, or you started that you would want to do the entire thing from Divya?
No, the entire thing from the website.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. And after the photo shoot, and and I must say that even after 1 year, your house is so well maintained, and I'm thoroughly impressed with this. And we are looking forward, me and my team, that you get to spread in our wings more and more, and spread a word of mouth. And we are really glad to make your house.
Actually we did during our Vastu Pujan. We had families and friends. So everyone was asking the number, the contact number. Whenever someone comes to our house, they ask the designer,
Where did you get it?
sure,
Right?
yeah.
Awesome. I'm so happy for that. And Divya, I'm sure she will also love seeing this, what you have given as a feedback. And we a sincere thanks to you for giving us this opportunity to expand our team and our work so much, and looking forward for more such projects so that we are happy to serve all our clients.
Yeah,
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.